That's the prophecy. Now, let's read it again, and then we come back. Know therefore and understand that from the going forth of the commandment to restore and to build Jerusalem to the Messiah, the Prince, shall be 7 weeks and 62 weeks. And after 62 weeks shall Messiah be cut off, and he shall confirm the covenant with many for 1 week, and in the middle of the week he shall cause the sacrifice and the oblation, the offering, to cease. Now, to understand this, we need to determine the date when this prophecy starts. And we need the Bible to give us that answer. Now, the question is there any reference of such a date, such a decree in the Bible? Well, as a matter of fact, there is. So let us try and understand what is said here. Know therefore and understand that from the going forth of the commandment to restore and to build Jerusalem, was there any such a decree? Well, we find it in Ezra 7, the 11th verse. Now this is the copy of the letter that the king Artaxerxes gave to Ezra, the priest, the scribe, even a scribe of the words of the commandments of God, and to his statutes of Israel. And then he says, I make a decree that all they of the people of Israel and of his priests and Levites in my realm, which are minded of their own free will to go up to Jerusalem, go with you. Now in the book of Ezra we find a few decrees. This specific one was made in the year 457 before Christ. And history documented this date as well. Even the Bible confirms it, Ezra 7:8, and he came to Jerusalem in the 5th month in the 7th year of the king's rule. And that has historically been said as 457 before Christ.